Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. As part of the refrigeration system, the evaporator fan motor draws air through the evaporator coils to remove the heat from the air. Depending on the model, the fan motor may also be responsible for circulating the cooled air through the freezer and refrigerator compartments. This airflow cycle is vital for the appliance to work properly. If the evaporator fan motor is malfunctioning, the temperature in the appliance will rise. You should check to see if there are any obstructions preventing the fan blades from turning. If the blades do not spin freely, it's likely that the motor bearings are worn out. You can also use a multimeter to determine if there is a continuous electrical path present on a two-terminal fan motor. If there is no electrical continuity, the evaporator motor is faulty and will need to be replaced. Evaporator fan motors are usually unique to each refrigerator model. You should enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific evaporator fan motor you need. Before you replace the fan motor, be sure to unplug the refrigerator's power cord. Evaporator fan motors are normally located at the back of the freezer or refrigerator compartment, behind one or more panels. You will usually need to remove all of the shelving and drawers to access a rear panel. Be aware, you may also need to remove shelf or drawer support rails. Depending on the model, you will probably also need to remove the ice maker, ice auger drive assembly, or other components before you can uninstall a rear panel. Now unthread the screws securing the rear panel or panels. Then slide the panels out. The evaporator fan motor may be mounted to a support bracket or directly to a rear panel. Pull off the fan blade. Unthread the mounting screws or release the retainer to detach the motor itself. Disconnect the power and grounding wires, if applicable, to fully release. When installing a new evaporator fan motor, be aware you may need to transfer rubber mounts and a washer from the old motor to the new one. Connect the power and grounding wires as required. Position and secure the fan motor to the bracket or panel. Slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft until it is fully seated. Reposition the rear panel or panels and thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the ice auger drive motor assembly, the ice maker, and any other necessary components. Replace the shelf or drawer support rails as required, along with the drawers and shelving. With the reassembly complete, plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.